In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom API endpoints in Zoho Creator. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, you'll find this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Our goal here is to simplify the process so that in no time you'll be able to create customized solutions to meet your specific needs. First, you want to head over to Zoho's website. This can be done by typing in the URL or searching for Zoho in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the Zoho homepage, the next step is to sign in to your account. If you don't have one yet, this would be a good time to set it up. Signing in is a breeze. Just click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage, and enter your credentials. After you've signed in successfully, navigate to the Zoho homepage. This is your main hub where you can access all of Zoho's various applications. From here, you want to make your way to Zoho Creator, which is the platform we'll be focusing on today. Zoho Creator is a fantastic tool that allows you to build applications with ease. Perfect for users who need to create tailor-made solutions without extensive coding knowledge. Now, look for the Microservices tab within the Zoho Creator interface. Microservices are small, independent services that are designed to meet specific business needs, and they're a vital part of creating custom APIs. Click on this tab to delve further into the options available. In the Microservices section, you'll find the Custom API section, and this is where you can start crafting your personalized endpoints. By clicking on this, you are taking a step into creating inputs and outputs that will make your Zoho applications communicate effectively with others, catering specifically to the data processes you need. To proceed, look for the Custom API Builder option. This is an intuitive tool that Zoho provides for users looking to design custom APIs with greater control. Selecting this will open up a new environment where you can start configuring your API settings to match your desired parameters. You'll have flexibility in setting up endpoints and defining what exactly each API should do. While building your custom APIs, remember that clarity is key. Clearly define the purpose and functionality of your API methods. This will save time and minimize errors in the future. In effect, you'll be creating a powerful bridge for data interaction between your applications and any external service you may choose to integrate. And there you have it. By just following these steps, you've now created your own custom API endpoints within Zoho Creator. This capability will undoubtedly expand your application's functionality and allow for seamless interactions with other platforms. Feel free to explore further and customize even more as your projects evolve. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!